Evening, y'all. You know what I was thinking about? It would be really hard to be in a bad mood watching a sunset. You know what I mean? You could like be in a bad mood leading up to it, but during, it'd be really hard to hold on to that. It's kind of like, it's like eating an ice cream cone or something, right? It's like nobody's eating an ice cream cone being like, man, this is a crappy day. May have had a crappy day leading up to it, but while they're eating it, nah, no way. I'm not talking like a tub of ice cream either that you eat when you're sad in front of the TV. I'm talking ice cream cone. Very different. Yeah. There you go. Sunsets are like ice cream cones. Both improve your day. So there's your encouragement. Go watch a sunset. Or eat an ice cream cone. Dealer's choice. Anyway, I hope everyone's doing well. I'll see you guys next time.